Holly, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me again, and thanks for subscribing. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button to get my future videos. Today I wanted to share with you a video about how to adjust your water pressure in your house. It's really a quick fix, and I'm not a plumber. First of all, I wanted to disclose that, but I do like knowing how to do things around my house and how things function. So my water pressure's been really high the last couple of days, and I went out and adjusted it, and I adjusted it too low. So I thought I'd take you guys back out with me and show you how you can adjust your water temperature, your water pressure, excuse me, without having to call a plumber, because it's a really quick and easy thing, and anyone can do it with the proper tools. So here's a couple of things that need to be used to accomplish this. First of all, you need to have a water pressure gauge. Kind of looks like this. And usually you want to find a tool that's called a lock driver. It's kind of like a screwdriver that has like a nut lock on it, but I don't have one of those. But you can find one at your local hardware store. So I'm going to use a pair of just heavy pliers. I've got two pair. I've got a straight pair because I've got to dig in the ground, and also have my gloves. And so I have learned from talking to a couple plumbers and the city that I live in that the average water pressure is somewhere between 65 psi and 80. And so mine was originally at 100, not set to 65, but it's a little too low with the toilets. Everything else is kind of flowing smoothly, and the toilets are a little too low. So we're going to turn up maybe to 70, 72, and just take a reading. So I'm going to start off taking a reading first, and you do so by locating your your front water right there. So I'm going to put that gauge on there and read the water pressure. So let me get my gloves and everything on. I do want to do this pretty quick because it's kind of wet and muggy out here, and I really don't want to get my hair frizzy. Just want to get in and get out before it starts pouring down rain again, since it's so wet and cloudy out here. So let's jump to it, and I'll take you guys along the ride with me. Here goes. So as I mentioned, you want to put one of these gauges onto your front spigot. That's where, or wherever your water enters your house. And you're just going to screw it on real tight here. And you can buy one of these at like your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, something like that. And they're about $10. So we're going to turn this on and see what the water pressure is at. Actually, it's sitting right around 65 where I had it. So we want to increase it a little bit and kind of go from there. Okay. Okay, so I'm walking down like my sidewalk to the corner of my house because this is where I'm going to locate my water supply to my house, and this is where I need to what I need to adjust. And in some places, this is actually located on the water spigot. In front of your house is like where your water enters your house, and so you'd always want to connect that gauge to that one. Anyway, let's take a look at this and get this twisted and get adjusted, and we'll take another measurement. Okay, so I had the city come out and mark mine because my neighbor's is here and mine is here. That's my neighbor's, this one's mine. So we're going to use this one because this is one they marked. This is the one that I was adjusting yesterday also. You want to, oh wow, look, it's got lots of water in there since all the rain yesterday. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to stick this in there and we're going to adjust it to the right, counterclockwise, to increase the pressure back. The other day I adjusted it to the left, which was counterclockwise, which is to decrease the pressure. So let's give it a little turn and let's see if we can get this adjusted a little bit. So I'm going back to my water spout to check the pressure again and see if anything happened. Alright, so we're back here. Now, Sometimes they say unscrew this and let the water run to relieve the pressure for like 2 gallons or so, but I'm just going to turn it on and see what we're at, where we are. Right about 80. Well, 79 looks like. Right in there. Looks like it's going down. So we are seeing where it's going to settle at. Looks like it's stopping right about there. So I think we're going to keep it there and go in the house and test it out. Looks like it's going to settle right around 70. All right, there we go. So that does it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.